Okay, we're over Sunshine. We are in the Hicks building of Sheffield University doing these Jansa elevators. Mathematical and physical sciences are on floor K.
Going down. Wait, floor what's that?
Well, we're going to J apparently. Okay, so installed in 2021, so fairly new, these Jansa elevators.
Level J.
30 persons, 1,000 kilograms. Okay. A snowy day in January 2025. Daddy's had a snow day from school, so we thought, heck, let's go. Well, it's just, we've been waiting for a day in the week that the university buildings would be open, that Daddy could take you to more university buildings, haven't we?
With me?
Yeah, with you.
And Atty, and yeah, why every safety reception area.
Well, we went through reception. I didn't want the receptionist to ask us any questions. So I said, come here, Sunshine.
Why didn't you want to ask Mr. any questions?
Because I don't want him to know that we're here doing the university lifts. They might tell us no.
Level K. They'll say yes when we can't go anywhere.
Well, they might do.
I. Doors closing. Let's open floor I.
The lights obviously got strip lights behind those little plastic panels. We've got car preference, car light, car fan. Door open, door closed.
New.
Pretty new, 2021.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Lift going down.
It's just got into 2025, so can only be 4 years old.
So it's very sneaky on the back orders. Doors opening. I saw something
Don't know.
that you hate.
I think we need to do as many lifts as we can, different buildings. Okay.
As the back orders see that we need to sneak yours.
Okay.
What's that noise?
Don't know. Vibrations, but caused by what? I'm not too sure. Could be the wind, could be the motor.
E and E. Level E.
And D.
Level E. Doors opening. Right.
Cool.
Oh,
We might do it. Comes around, doesn't it? And goes.
Oh,
it's an interesting one. There we go. The GLS Altera. No, I don't think we have. Let's go down and have a little look at it.
but why aren't you
So,
after this?
well, this is definitely for disabled people. This is not necessarily a passenger lift.
Yeah,
Well, it is a passenger lift, but it's definitely for people who are in wheelchairs. The garaventalift.com. Look at that. It's got more operating buttons here. Cool.
So it says you'll be slightly just all the way out. Happy?
Yeah.
Happy?
Okay, so that's the Hicks building.
So it says sneaky.
Yeah, come on then.
Yeah, I'm going to
Stars, little stars.
go.
Come on then.
Right. Oh, this is...
Right then. So that was the Hicks building, Sheffield University. Done.